Do you work in trade, in the aircraft parts specifically? If you're an importer from France and you're searching for aircraft parts from Singapore in a certain state and with special requirements, stop searching everywhere. Save your time, effort, and money. Just create your purchasing request on Toggar.com with one click. Let your request be found by suppliers from Singapore and many other countries that export aircraft parts. Let them find their way to you instead of you searching for them. Join Toggar.com, the first online B2B marketplace in the Middle East and Europe, and create your purchasing request now. Start spreading. Increase your sales.